Title of this video is what is rehab like after rotator cuff repair? So this is an extremely common question. I think it's really on the front of everybody's minds because almost everybody has known someone that's had their rotator cuff fixed, and more often than not they say didn't sound like it was really fun. So rehab for rotator cuffs, if we're trying to keep it simple in general, is trying to understand why we're doing what we're doing, right? So when we go in and we fix a tendon in the body, if you start working on something or using it right away, the tendon won't heal to bone, right? And we've actually studied this in rats and mice. And so we make a rotator cuff tear, we fix it, and then we put the mice on a treadmill. And the mice that are on the treadmill right after the surgery, they don't get as good a healing as the ones that may be rested for 4 to 6 weeks. So we've taken that data and applied it to human beings, and that when we go in and we fix something, if we start loading it too soon, then we'll pull the tissue away. Now, we do know that some of the repairs can handle a little bit more stress than others, right? And some of this is nuanced, and there is debate in the literature on how to handle things. I tend to be a little bit on the liberal side in terms of letting people use their shoulders sooner than most surgeons, because when you look at the evidence, we probably don't need to keep people down and as mobilized as much as we think. Certain tears I do make exceptions for. So to me, it's really trying to individualize each person's PT to them. In general, we want to keep the arm down at the side, kind of in this range for the first month or so 4 to 6 weeks. So I want you down in here. I don't want you going up high like this, because when you lift your arm like this high, you really pull on the repair. After 4 to 6 weeks, we feel like there's enough healing for you to move around. And then after 3 to 4 months is when we let you start to really load and strengthen your shoulder. So the first 4 weeks, you're down in here. You can still move your arm, but we don't want any lifting like this. So you can type, you can eat, you can drink, you can get dressed, you can feed yourself, you can live, you can do most of the things you need to do with life, even in that first month. We have people wear the sling mostly just out in public, just to let everybody know you had surgery. But really it's just about keeping the arm kind of down in here. But you can still move your elbow, you can still kind of rotate in this plane. So still live. After a month, you can start moving your arm around. And then after 3 months, we start to strengthen. Full recovery from rotator cuff repair is 6 months to a year, right? And that's how long it takes to get maximally improved. But you're getting better all along the way. Most patients, when we follow their data, when we look at their pain scores at least, their pain is significantly better than it was before surgery by at least 6 weeks, and most for sure by 3 months. Your function and your strength and all those things, they take a while to improve, because the first 3 months we have to wait for you to heal. So the rehab, and we've also done, I think, getting therapy started immediately. We do a multimodal pain approach. I think, doing these repairs arthroscopically. I try to use a minimal amount of anchors in the shoulder, which I think decreases the pain significantly. We do a lot of little different things in the shoulder to try to decrease our pain afterwards. And I think most of our patients, if we follow our outcomes, their pain actually decreases within 2 weeks of the operation, right? So within 2 weeks, their pain decreases. So I can't speak for all the patients who ever had rotator cuff repair in the whole world, but just in our personal patients, when we've tracked their outcomes over the last 6 years, their pain actually decreases. So I think the rehab it's not easy. I'm not saying it's like a walk in the park, but often our patients tell us that it's not quite as bad as not as bad as they thought it was going to be.